Most manufacturers know exactly what they want to build. The harder question is how to get there. Between the concept and the finished part, there are design decisions, tooling choices, supplier negotiations, and a dozen other places where a project can slow down or fall apart. Seyal Technologies, based in Coimbatore, handles that entire stretch. One partner from idea to delivery.
We established Seyal Technologies in 2019. Basically, we are an engineering solution company offering a design and manufacturing solutions for Fortune 500 companies. And we have a customers in Australia, US and Europe. Seyal, it's a Tamil word, which means action.
Seyal started as a consulting firm back in 2012. But their customers kept asking for more than advice. So the team grew to match what manufacturers actually needed on the ground, not just at the whiteboard.
So when we started this company, we are offering only engineering and design support to our customers. And later on, our end customers started asking some prototypes. So we tried to outsource our components. We developed our design components to other industries in Coimbatore. One point of time, we could not, able to meet our customer requirements. So we decided to start some, its own manufacturing unit. We started with the 3 machines in 2020. So after design, we started a prototype. So based on the prototype, we succeeded at so many projects. Customers started asking us to supply the batch quantities. So just we are keep on increasing our number of machines. At least every year we are increasing 2 or 3 machines.
That range is what sets them apart. Most suppliers own one part of the process. Seyal owns the conversation that connects all of them. And that changes what a manufacturer can expect from a single phone call.
I met one of Manav Marketing executive, Shyam. So he approached me. He's coming from Manav Marketing and they are a main dealer for selling the Haas machines. So on the time, I don't have any plan to buy some high precision machines like Haas. So I focused to buy some domestic machines with a cheaper cost. After a couple of years, just I realized to maintain the good quality product, what we purchased, the domestic machines are not supporting us properly. So just I started interacting with Manav Marketing to get some quote for Haas machines. Initially, we purchased 2 machines. We could see some good output. Now we have around 5 machines. They are offering very good support for us. I'm getting a very spontaneous response. After sales and service is very good. While comparing with other dealers and suppliers, we could see the difference between Manav Marketing and other dealers. So that is one of the major factors we are not going out of from Haas machines.
We are developing a high precision components, so that we are going for a Haas machines to develop a high precision and accuracy with those tolerance components such as medical, aerospace, like that. We are experienced with Manav Marketing for 4 years. We took a Haas machine from them. After using Haas machines, we reduced the machining time and get more efficiency in production.
When the handoffs work, everything else tends to follow. The part matches the brief, the timeline holds, and the customer doesn't have to chase down 5 different vendors to find out why it didn't.
We could able to manufacture the part up to 5 microns tolerance with the 0.3 RA in Haas VMC machines. So all our machines are laser screened. The repeatability and the reliability is good. I could say the less maintenance cost. Some of the players, they want to do it's a 0.2 or 0.3 RA, they prefer to go with surface grinding. But we don't prefer, because of RA, we don't want to go with other machines. growth rate, it's 25 to 30% year on year. We are increasing our machines, at least 2 machines per every year. We are expecting a 200% growth in the next 3 years. So I think we may go with few more Haas machines on upcoming year.
For Manav Marketing, Seyal Technologies is the kind of partner you want involved before the first drawing is done. Because the decisions made at the beginning are the ones that determine whether the last stage goes smoothly. That's what end-to-end actually means in practice.